Let's talk about type 1 error, type 2 error and power of study. So when null hypothesis is false and you reject null hypothesis, so null hypothesis is false and you rejected it, so you did good, right? So that is the power of the study. You rejected the false null hypothesis. But let's say you did not reject the false null hypothesis. In other words, you accepted the false null hypothesis. It is type 2 error, also called beta. Let's say null hypothesis is in fact true, but you rejected the true null hypothesis. That is type 1 error or alpha. You rejected null hypothesis that was true, that is type 1 error. You rejected false null hypothesis, that is power. You did not reject false null hypothesis, that is type 2 error or beta. So in other words, if I want to explain power, it means that power is the ability of a test to detect the difference that really exists. The difference that really exists, and we are correctly able to detect that. That is the power of the study. Right? And in other words, previously I told you that power means you correctly rejected false null hypothesis. You rejected the null hypothesis that was false. And if you accept the false null hypothesis, or you did not reject false null hypothesis, then you commit type 2 error.